Are you using pay-per-click marketing to promote your business? Then you must know these things to improve your marketing strategy and get more leads and customers for your business using paid ads. Pay-per-click marketing in short is also called as PPC marketing. And there are various PPC marketing platforms available in the market such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And as a business owner, you can run sponsored ads or paid ads on these platforms to promote your business. But before you choose whether you want to use Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or maybe YouTube ads to promote your business, you will need to identify how your ideal customers search for your business. For example, if you are a local service provider like a dentist, home care service provider, or a plumber, you will notice that a majority of your customers will search for you online and search for things like dentists near me, plumbers near me. People use Instagram or Facebook to share their story and daily activities. But when someone genuinely needs something, they won't go ahead and open Instagram or Facebook and search for you. They will rather Google it. And that is the reason Google Ads can be the go-to marketing strategy for your business. If you really want to make the most out of your paid advertising budget, then you must review your campaign's performance to see who are clicking on your ads. Fixing your website issues. Do check whether your website is functioning properly on laptops as well as smartphones, because a majority of your customers will search for your services using their smartphones. So your website should function equally well on laptops as well as smartphones. Find these PPC marketing tips helpful? Make sure you like and follow our page.